Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to send clips from PC to phone. Here are some steps to send video clips from your PC to a mobile phone. First method, using Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your PC. Go to Google Drive in your web browser. Sign into your Google account. Use the same Google account that is linked to your Android phone. Click New and select File Upload. Click New, then click File Upload and choose the video clip from your PC. Then hit Open. Wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the file size, this may take some time. Open Google Drive on your mobile device. Install and open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Locate the uploaded video. Find the video in the home page. Download the video to your phone. Then tap the three dots next to the video and choose Download. Next method, using email for small files. Go to email website of your choice. Open your email on your PC. Go ahead and log in to your email account, for example, Gmail, Outlook, etc. Compose a new email and attach the clip. Click Compose, attach the video, and send it to your own email, then hit the send button. Open email on your mobile phone. Open the same email account on your Android phone. Download the attachment. Open the email and tap Download to save the video to your phone. Last method, using Telegram or WhatsApp. Send the clip to yourself on Telegram or WhatsApp. Open Telegram or WhatsApp web on your PC. Send the video to your own chat or saved messages Telegram. Download the clip on your phone. Open the app on your phone and go ahead and download the video. Now, your video clip is successfully transferred. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.